What's up guys, Francis here. In this video we're going to be looking at job servicing business to earn $550 plus every time with this particular setup tool. Alright, now in this particular video we're going to be looking at traffic, where you're going to be getting clients from, okay, when you're doing job servicing. I'm going to be showing you both the free way and the paid traffic strategy that you can use to get clients for your job servicing business. And also we're going to be looking at the setup tool, the tool you can use to set up your entire business, do email marketing, script, and also more of like a bonus, you're going to be getting full training that will help you set up your entire business, okay, using this particular tool we're going to be looking at today. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos. I do make money online method on a consistent basis. So if you like videos like this, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I upload my next video. That way you don't miss out on anything. Now, I hope you guys are doing all good, okay, with the current lockdown going on everywhere. Hope you guys are well, hope you guys are doing fine, and hope you guys are also taking action to making money online. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Give this video a like if you find any value in this, because this is super amazing. Drop servicing is an awesome business model that I've also done, okay, and I'm currently doing it to make money. It's more of like a side hustle thing for me, and every single time I do it, okay, it is it makes me feel like, okay, this is one of like the easiest way you can also make money, more of like an active way of making money, okay, the most easy way possible, because it doesn't require you to perform the tasks. What you're basically doing is taking the service, okay, that is supposed to be done and giving it to someone else that is an expert or a professional to get the job done. Then all you're doing is just submitting the job. All right, you're basically going out there to get the service from the business owner, or for anybody that needs a job done or a service done, and you're giving it to a professional and expert that will deliver on it on the maximum, okay, because since they are pros, they won't know what they're doing, and you're paying them for that, and you're keeping the profit, okay, you're keeping the difference. That's what job servicing is all about. So the first thing we're going to be looking at right here is the traffic, where you can find clients from, okay. Now, one of the major and the best ways I mostly recommend you do this if you have money, okay, if you have some sort of money, all right, you can come over to Google Ads, okay. Google Ads is one of the most profitable places I've seen for this business model, especially when I'm trying to run send traffic to my funnel, or I'm trying to send traffic to my web page, okay. Google Ad is not that expensive if you know what you're selling, all right. If what you're promoting has high perceived value and there are a bunch of people searching for that particular keyword, okay. So what you're just basically doing is creating an ad, okay, just like this one. You're seeing the example right here. When people go over to Google and search a particular keyword, you want your ad to pop up, all right. This is the first strategy, or this is the first traffic method you can use, okay, if you have money to run Google Ads. All right, you can start up very small, but because since it's a business, you're definitely going to be making your money back on the long run, because you're going to be building this as an entire business. All right, so for traffic, the first place you can go to set up traffic and get quality traffic from is Google Ads, okay, because Google is an intent-based advertising platform. People go to this place when they need solution, okay, they are looking for answers. They go on to Google and just type in the particular keyword they are looking for, and when your ad come up, all right, they can click on your ad and go through to your web page, or to your funnel, or to your store, and all those cool stuff, okay. So Google is an amazing place for you to get traffic. So this is the first place I recommend you go to get traffic for your job servicing business that we're going to be looking at today. So for free traffic also, you can come over to freelance website like Upwork, all right. So I just came over to Upwork and I saw this this gig right here, okay, this job that needs an expert, all right. You can see it is designer lottery games, and this was posted about 17 minutes ago, and the price for this is about $2,000, all right. So this actually requires an expert, okay, to render this particular service right here. And you can basically go out there and look for an expert that can deliver on services like this, okay. And so you can just basically submit a proposal for this, and when you win this, you can give it to the expert or the professional to deliver on this service for you. Then you can keep the profit, okay. Maybe this is $2,000 right here. You can offer to pay the expert about $1,000 to do this, or like $1,500 to do this. Then you keep about $500, Okay, that's why the title of this video is actually 500 plus. Okay, because with job servicing, for all the products or all the services I've been providing out there, okay, for the job servicing business model, all right, one of the average profit margin I've continued to see over and over is $550 and above. Okay, one of the most average. It can be lower than that. It can be like $200, $300, sometimes upwards to like $600, $700, $800, or up to $1,000. But the most average one, the most consistent one, is around $550. Okay, making job servicing an awesome business model. So if you're not doing job servicing, I think it's an awesome business model you can start on the side and make real money from. All right. And the cool part is that you don't necessarily have to be a professional or an expert. So for the free method, okay, you can come over to Upwork. Okay, there are so many other freelance websites just like this one. You can go to join and get gigs that you can render for people and just drop service those services. All right, that's basically how it works. Also, you can go over to Facebook. Okay, Facebook groups, and also look for people over there on Facebook that you can perform certain tasks for. So for the business setup tool, okay, for the tool you're going to be using Builderall. All right, Builderall is an amazing tool. I use Builderall for building websites, sales funnel, email marketing, and all those cool stuff. Okay, so if we're looking at email marketing right here and script, Builderall also have that feature. Okay, Builderall have this email marketing automation setup, okay, on the platform right here, and you can use Builderall for your job servicing business. Okay, you can see they have the Cheetah drag and drop builder over here that you can use to build websites, and the e-commerce feature. So if you're doing job servicing, you can build up your gigs or you can build up your services in an e-commerce way, all right, whereby people can go to and see your services and just click to purchase. All right, so you can click on e-commerce right here on Builderall, which will load up a page just like this. Okay, this is actually connected to Magento. Is it Magento? Magento. So all you're basically doing is to create a store. You just click on here and you will create your store. All right, this is cool. If you have an existing domain, you can just have it here, but if you don't have a domain, you can use the Builderall subdomain and all that. Okay, you can just put the name of your store right here. Let's say you're putting your name of your store is like Digigo, something like this. Okay, so it will now be digigo.builderallstores.com. okay, that's what your domain name is going to be. Then you can check for availability. If it's available, then you can continue building your store. All right, so it is very, very easy to do, and there's a template. You can come to this section right here. Once you let me just fill this up real quick. Digigo. Let me select country, others. So you can choose to have a sample data right here, or you can say no sample data right here. Okay, this will actually put a template on your store, but this particular one will make it empty. Okay, there'll be nothing on your store. Then you create a username and a password. Okay, it is actually Magento. All right, so you're going to be using this to build your job servicing store. Okay, then you want to go over to Builderall. You want to go back to Builderall. Let me just go back real quick. Then you want to go back to Builderall and set up your email marketing automation and your email marketing business in general. Now, one major areas a lot of people tend to talk about is when it comes to email marketing. Okay, they tend to get confused in terms of writing emails. All right, and they don't know what to write in their emails. Now, the good part about this is that Builderall also have a script generator. Okay, right here you can see they have a script generator. Once we come to this app section right here, you see this script generator, and I've already pulled this up here already. Okay, so there is a script generator that will help you write emails. Okay, more of like just generate emails for you. All you're basically doing is just to edit and format those emails. Okay, and you can see in different categories right here, there's personal development, internet marketing, local business, health and fitness coaching, etc. All right, so there are a bunch of scripts right here that Builderall can help you generate, no matter the industry or the category you are in. So you don't have to worry about writing emails and all that stuff, because this is one of the major areas a lot of people get confused, and they need to outsource email marketing to a lot of people, to a lot of freelancers out there to help them do. But with this tool right here, you can actually create your email sequence, or you can create your email marketing script. Okay, email 1, email 2, email 3, up to like email 10. All right. So because this is very, very important, because once people land on your web page, okay, let's say your e-commerce store you've built, once people land on the page, you want to make sure that you're following up with them via email, in case because some people might not buy the first time they visit your store, so you want to follow up on them, okay, so which is very, very, very important. So the next thing we're now going to be looking at is the full training. Okay, so you might be wondering, how can you set this entire thing up? Builderall also have a training section on their platform, okay, which will show you how to build your e-commerce website. Okay, you can see e-commerce powered by Magento. Okay, how to create your store. All right, there's a full tutorial on the platform that will show you how to set up your website. Okay, so it is more of like an all-in-one tool. I'm going to link Builderall in the description of this video. There will be a 14 days free trial for you to check out Builderall. All right, so I'm going to link Builderall in the description of this video. That's actually my affiliate link. You can go over there and get a free trial for Builderall and try this tool out, okay, and build your entire job servicing business. Builderall is an amazing tool that you can use to build your business online and start making money. So to get traffic, like I said once again, is come over to Google. If you have some money, okay, you can come over to Google Ads and run some search advertising, okay, which will actually give you back your money in no time, because you're actually building a business, so you're going to make money on the long run. Okay, so this is one of the paid way you can do this, and the free strategy you can do this is to come over to Upwork and sign up with and create an Upwork account and apply for certain jobs, submit proposals for certain different jobs. As you can see right here, there's a tax right here. There's a job to be done for $2,000. Okay, and you can apply for this, and when you win this, you can give this to an expert or a professional to help you deliver on this. Okay, and the third place you can go to is Facebook group, obviously. Okay, go over there and DM people and get them to see your store, okay, your job service store. You don't want to tell them that, okay, I'm doing job servicing. All right, you're just showing them that, okay, you can deliver certain services for them and all that. So when they buy through your store, all right, you can outsource the service to someone else. Okay, so that's the beauty about job servicing. Now, if you learn anything from this video, what I want you to do is to take action. If you know this resonates with you, if this is something you really want to do, or this is something you're hanging on the fence and you're still procrastinating and taking time to get started with, I think you should just get started. All right, this is awesome, and this is one of the amazing ways you can build a side hustle business. Okay, you don't have to quit whatever you're doing. This is just something you can do on the side to make money. So if you get any value from this video, let me know that in the comments. Give this video a like, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you get a notification from me when I upload my next video. All right, I want you to watch this video on the screen right here. Until next time, I'll be seeing you in my next one. Bye bye.